everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another Boxycharm video. I am so excited about this. So I'm going to be unboxing the July box. So I'm super excited about this box. I have taken a sneak peek, tried out a few of the products, so really like it and super excited to dive into this. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys would like, if you like these unboxing kind of like haul style videos, or if you would prefer more of like maybe a get ready with me style or something where I'm like actually using the products, because I have seen some people do those. Before we get started, I do have a link at the top of my description if you'd like to sign up for Boxycharm. It's around $20 a month, give or take, depending on how many months you sign up for. And it's super awesome. You get all full-size products. It's super fun. I absolutely love it. It's like such a nice little surprise every time it comes to my doorstep. I'm just like, ooh, little box full of makeup and skincare. And I love it because I never know like what it's gonna be. It's just so exciting to see like, oh, what's in the box, you know what I mean? So absolutely love it. Only $20 a month, and you usually get like $150 value each month. If you'd like to sign up for it, I do have the link at the top of my description. It does help me out if you click that link. And one more thing, make sure you are following me on Instagram. I'm constantly posting on there, and I'm always like, you know, posting outfits and makeup posts. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. And let's go ahead and get this video. First off is the little pamphlet thing that you get, and I love this. So there's different themes each month, and this one is road trippin', which is super fitting because I actually just went on a road trip to Chicago. Really fun and very fitting theme for me. And then this just kind of shows you all of the products, and it talks about the prices as well in here, which I always like kind of like adding it up and seeing like what the value is. So I'll just go ahead and get straight into this. So the first product is by Dr. Brandt, and it's the No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, and it looks like this. And I have always wanted one of these like forever because I have horrible under eyes. No matter what I try, I just feel like nothing really helps it. I'm just super excited to try this out. Super cooling, which I like. It's like really cooling and just like soothing on the skin. The description on this says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye baggage and dark circles. So super excited to try this out. Let me see, I can't remember exactly. It's just like a little tube, and it actually comes out as like, oh wow, I just got so much of it. RIP. That is what it looks like. So it's like this orangish reddish, but then you rub it in and then it kind of like goes into like a clearish kind of color, as you can see here. Like I said, I don't know if it's just, it seems like it's really cooling. Like, I don't know, like it's like really cool. That sells for $42. So that's a good deal that you got. This itself would pay for the box twice. Moving on, and this is also probably one of my favorite items, and it is by the brand Crown Brush, and it is the Fuego eyeshadow collection. So it's this eyeshadow palette that looks like this, and I'll do a close-up. So that is what it looks like. Really beautiful warm colors. This is like my kind of like ideal eyeshadow palette. Like these are kind of the colors that I personally go for, and I did wear it today, so I tried it out. I have this color right here, just kind of like on my lids and in my crease, kind of like worked into the crease as like my transition color. And then I put this color, kind of brushed it slightly over my lids, and then I kind of put this a little bit over my lids in the center and on my brow bone and kind of like inner corner. So I really liked that. I have to say the colors were really pigmented and very soft, like very easy to blend. Like this color just like blended so nice. The formula of the eyeshadows was just amazing. Like they just blended so easily and softly, and they were just so smooth and so pigmented. I didn't even use any Fix Plus or anything, which I always use for my base, but I kind of wanted a softer look, so I didn't. But yeah, it's just really soft and very easy to blend with, and I feel like these colors are all just really pretty and really wearable, like even just like for every day. Like this color, I feel like this could look maybe a little bit intimidating because they're all kind of dark and reddish, but even just like my makeup, I would say looks fairly natural, and I use this. So really pretty, great for every day. I like literally love this eyeshadow palette. Like this is kind of like the eyeshadow like I would go for every day. Like if I could just have one kind of palette in my collection, I would probably pick something like this. That palette sells for $30 or $29.99. So again, that palette itself would pay for your entire Boxycharm for the month. So right now we are at a $72 value. Only 2 products in. Next up is a mascara, and it is by the brand Wonder Beauty, and it's the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And I'm going to read you the description. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, and strengthens and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. This sells for $24. I kind of forgot because I just like started doing my makeup. I meant to try out more of these products today, but I kind of just tried out the palette. I kind of like already started using my regular mascara and I forgot about this, but it looks really nice. I like that it comes in like a little tube. I really like the applicator. Here, I'll do like a close up. I love this autofocus. What the applicator looks like. It's got like a slight curve to it. Pretty like bristly. I like that it's got like a little bit of a curve to it. It looks like it would like really work nice to like curl the lashes. And I like very fluffy bristly wands like this. I don't really like the spiky ones, or I don't know. I just like these kind of like fluffy kind of wands. So this looks like a mascara that would be very up my alley. So really excited to try this out. I actually just ran out of mascara, so. Next up is by a brand called Note Cosmetics, and it is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. And it says, designed to work for all skin types, the Luminous paraben-free blush adds natural colors to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. And this sells for $11.99. I really love the color of this blush. I remember thinking that like instantly whenever I got this. The color is something I would definitely go for. So this is what the color looks like. It's like a nice kind of like peachy, corally kind of color, like literally like my favorite kind of shade of blush. So it looks like this, and then if you lift this up, you've got like a nice little brush. Even though I kind of already have a little bit of blush on, I don't really have a lot of blush on, so I will just go ahead and try this out real quick. I'm just gonna get a little bit because it looks like it would be like really pigmented, which it is, so I'm glad I just got a little bit. So I barely just like tapped this on it because it's like, it looks like it'd be really pigmented. I feel like this blush color really complements these shades in the eyeshadow palette. Wow, look at that. So pretty. I really like that blush. I would definitely use this blush like every single day. Like it's very pigmented and I love the color and it's really pretty. And the last product is by the brand July Beauty, and it's an eyebrow cream, and I've actually never heard of this brand. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the description. It says, add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that last all day and night. And this sells for $26. So this is really interesting. I've actually never really seen anything quite like this. It looks like this, so both sides kind of like pop off. So this is what the first side looks like. It's just like this little kind of like angled brush like this, and it's like a really nice brush actually. Like it's very stiff, which I'm very specific about eyebrow brushes. The other end that pops off, or I guess it kind of like the other part, like you kind of have to screw off. The other side looks like this. Like, so this is the actual eyebrow product. So it's just like this brow gel. So you've got your little, it seems like a very like on the go kind of like brow product. But yeah, so you just have your little brush and then your little cream brow product right there in the lid basically. So yeah, it's like really nice. I haven't, wait. It seems like a very creamy formula actually. A lot of times these are kind of like gel, like creamy, kind of like pomade, like brow products, wow, can sometimes be like really dry and can like just, you know what I mean? Like they're just kind of dry. So I feel like they just dry out, but this one's actually like really like it just seems very, not dry. I don't know what the word I'm looking for is. It seems like it'd be like in consistency. I don't usually typically use these kind of products for my brows, I usually go for like a powder, but it does seem really nice. Like it's not like, you know, I feel like that color would work for most people. It seems like pretty buildable, easy to work with, because some of these, like, I feel like the Anastasia one is so dark and so thick that you really have to know what you're doing, but I feel like this one you could easily like just kind of work with, or it would be a good thing to have in your bag and just kind of like touch up your brows on the go. I really like this product. I can't wait to try that out. I have to say, out of this whole entire box, my favorite product is definitely the eyeshadow palette. I'm probably going to be using this a lot. Like, I don't want to say it's going to be my new everyday look, but it might be. Like, I really, really loved it when I used it today. Like, this color right here is the perfect transition shade, and I just really liked all of this. Like, I really liked this whole box. This box had a lot of like new brands that I hadn't really heard of. Like, I'd heard of Dr. Brandt, but other than that, I feel like it was a lot of newer brands, which is nice because it introduced me to some brands that I might not have heard of beforehand, before this video. So yeah, I have to say I really, really liked this July box. I am like obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. Like, I love it. Like, this might be like my new everyday look. It's just like a little bit orangier and warmer than what I usually go for, but I'm really obsessed with it. I feel like it makes my eyes pop and it just adds a little bit more warmth to my look. I think this blush like really complements it, so I'm really obsessed with this blush. I might start using this as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. And once again, if you guys want to subscribe to Boxycharm, make sure to click the link in my description because it would help me out so much. Like I said, it's roughly about $20 a month and you get more than that in products. Yeah, we got $134 worth of product for a box that only cost us $20. So it's a really good deal. It's a great way to try out new brands and products that you might not normally like pick out on your own. And also it's a great way to get some products and brands that you already know and love. It's just like a great little like surprise that comes to your doorstep, and I just love it so much. But yeah, I think that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.